If your team is still manually scanning tickets to figure out which ones come from VIP accounts or key partners, there is a better way. Zendesk's organization condition lets triggers identify exactly who the customer is and route their ticket automatically before any agent touches it. This guide walks you through the complete setup. The organization condition works differently from keyword triggers. Instead of scanning the subject line, it looks at the requester's profile to identify their organization. When a ticket comes in from a user in your VIP customers org, the trigger fires and handles routing, priority, and tagging without any manual input. Before you start, make sure you have a Zendesk account on the team plan or higher. Organization features are not available on the Essential plan. You will also need administrator access, a list of email domains you want to associate with specific organizations, and a clear picture of which tickets should go where. Start by clicking the organizations icon in the left sidebar of Zendesk support. This opens your full list of organizations. If you have not set any up yet, this is where you will create them before building any triggers. Click Add Organization to get started. When creating an organization, the key field is email domains. Enter the domains associated with that org, separated by spaces. From that point, any user who emails from one of those domains gets added to the organization automatically. That includes first-time contacts, so your triggers work even for customers who have never submitted a ticket before. Now go to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. Click Add Trigger. Use a naming format that anyone on your team can read instantly. Something like routing VIP to Premium Group is far more useful than Trigger 47. In the Conditions section, add 2 conditions. First, ticket is created. Second, organization is. Then select your target organization from the drop-down. If you have many organizations, start typing the name to filter the list. Both conditions must be true for the trigger to fire. Under Actions, define what happens when the trigger fires. For a VIP routing trigger, you might assign the ticket to your premium support group, set priority to high, and add a tag like VIP pod customer for reporting. Save the trigger, then test it by submitting a ticket from an email address in your map domain and checking the ticket events. As your organization list grows, creating one trigger per organization becomes hard to manage. The better approach is to tag your organizations and use the tags condition instead. Add a tag like Enterprise to all Enterprise orgs, then build one trigger that fires for any ticket tagged Enterprise. New Enterprise customers just need the tag added, and the routing works automatically. Here are 3 setups to start with. Route VIP customers directly to your premium support group with high priority. Send partner tickets to your partner success team with the task type. Route regional customers to EMEA or regional groups using organization level tags. Each of these can be live in under 10 minutes. A few practices that make a real difference over time. Name triggers clearly so any admin can understand the purpose immediately. Order them by lifecycle. Open actions first, routing second, workflow automation third. Always test with a real sample ticket before going live. And document why each trigger exists so future admins know when to update or remove it. Organization triggers work well for straightforward routing rules, but as your support operation scales, you end up with dozens of triggers that are hard to maintain. Eesel AI takes a different approach. It learns from your historical ticket data and makes intelligent routing decisions without requiring explicit rules. You connect it to Zendesk, let it train on your past resolutions, and it handles nuanced cases that triggers simply cannot cover. Whether you are setting up your first organization trigger today or looking to replace a wall of manual rules with intelligent automation, the starting point is the same. Try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.